Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. And today I'm going to show you how to block off time in Google Calendar web application. So the first thing that you will need to do is to open your internet browser or your browser, and then you will search for Google. And if you're already using Google Chrome, you will find your profile picture here, and then you can go to your Google account, or you can search like here the Google account, and you can search for your apps and you will find the calendar. Otherwise, if you are using other browsers, you can just go for Google and search for Google, either the Gmail or any Google app, and by that you will find here your Google account. After you connect to it, of course, you will need to connect to your Google account so you can access to the Google Calendar. You click on the Google Apps, this icon, and then click on Calendar, and now you have the access of Google Calendar. And now all you remains is to follow these simple steps. So the first thing to do is to create out of office time. You can do it by clicking on create, by clicking on this button create, and search for out of office, and it will appear this pop-up menu. And by that you will set up you will block time, or you will set up out of office time here in your calendar. And basically you are going to choose the days that you want to be out of office. You can make it you can decline the new meetings that you are going to be invited to, or you can just block only the new and the existent meeting, that means the old ones. After that, all you need to do is to click save. The other way to create the block or to block off time is by clicking on the days that you want to set out of office. Like you can drag many days, you can choose one day, you can choose hours, whatever you want. After that, you will give it a title. You can give it a label color, for example, like that. You name it, and you can give a message. It should be out of office, and then you can give a message of declination in case you were invited to some meetings or invited to events. And also you can make it visible or private. It depends on what you want, and then you click save. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.